So I got the repro rev launcher. These are pretty cool, and I'll tell you first, I did press that button and I did not break it. So that's unusual for a rev up launcher already. Now I'm gonna put this on and let's try it. So I guess it's pretty impressive, but kind of feel like this is a lot more powerful. I don't know. Yeah, even if we just stall. Versus this. I don't know how to. It just kind of lets it go. Oops. What if I just? Oh, you know what? That's kind of powerful. If you just use it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. I'm sure I'll break it soon, but I don't know if that's powerful or just. Oh yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. So forget the revving. Well, I guess sometimes it gets stuck and I have to press the button. That is not very powerful, but if you just rip it, that's pretty powerful. Yeah. Okay. So, oops. Yeah, but this is more powerful if you just rip it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the revving, I don't get it. I guess it can be powerful, but you don't really. But it might fall off, so you're better off just. Yeah, that's okay. Well, probably because I don't know how to use it. But anyway.